Hi guys! Magluluto tayo ng egg na may sibuyas at saka tomato. Yes, I watch it. I wash your patty. So, kuha tayo ng ganito. Kung saan dito natin i-chop yung
Mommy will say,
yay! So, gasan ko lang yung kutsilyo natin. Nasaan na si...
I eat some eggs.
Oh, wait. Oh, may...
Some
dito.
chicken, I eat some vegetables and some squash and I use my name is yellow. Right? Yellow.
Light yellow? Good job. Kaya maki-water ka naman. So, light yellow na. Dire na yan. Magahin. Yellowish.
Yellowish. It's yellow. It's only dark yellow.
Hugasan ako
Mommy, my shirt natanggal. Because of my rope. You know how to fix it?
Yes.
Like that?
Tatay itong ginre-ribbon mami. Like that.
Say right there. The one ribbon na tiger.
No. Kung ano?
I'm on a
Lubot na.
you tied the did you tie it?
Oo, in charge ko. Do not, ano ha?
How I put the egg in the cookie box.
Nay. Iwas ida. Bayin ka mga with knife. Excuse me. I will get. Okay.
It's too hard.
Hard na.
Many.
Oops.
Two of them.
Wait, Nay. I will get pork. Eh, gusto talaga ito niya. Hiyap mag-uukay.
Okay.
Okay. Another. Wait,
I
ha?
got the first.
Naya din, Dito. Oh, dida. Sit down. Oh. Move, move na to. Didi.
I can mix.
Oh. Gusto man mo bumulib. You can help me, pero
Oh, so sticky.
gusto ito niya bumulib. So, tignan
Wow,
mo
it's so
si
bouncy.
Isaya.
Baby, it's many eggs.
Ay, anak, against the light ka, anak. Dapat na yun, nagtudidi ka.
It's many.
Anak. Oh, dari ka dito makikitaan. Didi ka, anak. Didi ka nala. Budaw nanay. Mami nala dito, man. Nagchachapin.
Egg,
Yun kuhan, tomato and onion.
onion, and tomato on. The onion makes me cry.
Yan, ay mami. The onion make mommy cry.
And the egg make my special. What's this? Orange?
No,
Apple?
it's not orange.
Apple?
It's tomato nga, ni.
Tomato.
Gagawa kami ng yung egg niya, lalagyan ko ng onion.
Hey, babies, many eggs inside.
Like this.
Like this.
You hold like that.
And like this, a cracker.
The fork. Use the fork. Sugad dapat ito fork ha. Suka dito anak. Oh, ade. Buti with kuan. You hold. You hold the egg. It's okay. You hold there. And wait, ayaw pa na guruin. Mommy will guide you. There. Diba?
That was a big surprise. Oh, my hand is dirty.
It's okay. Sige na, it's a part of kuan. You mix it.
Oh, that was an egg. Look, there's another egg.
Yes, it's okay.
Yeah. You buy some magic syrup?
Ano?
You buy some magic syrup?
Magic syrup. Gusto mo butangan magic syrup?
Why? They don't have magic syrup.
Aba.
Why? They don't. I don't touch it, man.
Oo. Do not touch it. Kuan, ha?
And what it?
Pag wari nga na magyakan na mo nga, you touch the things. Ayaw pag-touch ha. You watch only.
Look, mommy, there's a bubble. On that puppy. My hair is so itchy.
Beautiful na.
Yes.
Okay. Mommy will chop the onion and tomato.
There's no onion.
Ito dito. Color
Purple
tomato.
and onion.
Ayan.
Onion make me cry like tomato make not me cry.
Tomato makes you cry or not?
Not.
Not?
Yes, apple.
Pero gusto ko yun, itanggalon hit. No. Ini nga.
Yes, it's tomato.
Ngadira ko hit
It's onion.
dire anak hit seeds. Seeds iton. Kuha na dire talaga ko ito.
Mommy, look at this. Mommy, look. Mommy,
Seeds
did you
ito.
know this?
Yes. Tomato. Itatanggal ko iton. So,
Oh no, my watch. My watch. My watch not charged. Kay ba?
Gudti ayong ko kay para niyan makaon ni Kizaya. Kay tomato is good for our
How?
health.
Look, there's a jelly like tomato.
Mhm.
This a tomato like jelly.
Ayaw di na pagkaroon kay bangin accidentally makuha ni mamit imo face. Butang naton dito hit
Egg.
egg.
Kay ito yummy. Kay buto. Wow.
Nadiri ako nga ginuupod iton. Para makaon ni Kisaya it tomato later.
Wow, I see a yellow tomato.
Is it yellow?
No, it's red.
Is it red?
Yes.
Look at the tomato.
Oh, it's orange. Orange tomato. Orange.
Tapos sunod naman, onion. Mahinay lang kita kay intindi
What?
na
I
lang
don't like onion. I don't like onion.
Kay need ito naton intindi ka mo nga Kaya ano mahinay ta akong
My
views
back
kay
is
because
so itchy.
may problem ita ton eyes. Ako rin na magdinali-dali tapos adto ma-accident kita. Diba? Siyempre, may kids kita nga adi. Bisan waray man, nagihiro talaga ako takong dios. Kaya at least ring pa.
Help! My
Safety
friend is
taman
stuck.
gihapon it din.
My friend is stuck.
Ito nga natin.
Ah, Mommy!
Ano?
Ah,
It's okay. Loko. Ikaw lewat. Parutan natin it.
it's too big.
Onion.
It's too big. Kaya too big ito.
It onion. It onion for me. Nakakapatuklay akon. It imo ginsisingot it iya scent.
Mix together with tomato, with onion, with egg, with tomato, with onion. Mix together now. Mix together now.
Nabuburang iti yan na ako ng kanta. Ano, pag nabuburing ikaw laban, no, you sing, you make song, ano, diba?
Look.
Hindi ako nagdidinali, kahit isa ay nakakaintindi dito nga, iti mami is not a perfect, it's not, with vision iti mami, very 2020, so, saya, na-understand ito yung
Kapatid yan.
di wait, ani, kay, kuha nito anak parot, dire to ginuukod nga dat parot, panit hidon, onion, butangan natin hinguti ay nga, kuan, nga onion kay, para may iba naman latin mo taste, anak ko namin, ti panalakon mo, gusto niya kuan la, magic sarap itong bubutang ta, kay sarang ko, kay kun, may dadawla di mga kamalunggay na tanaman, iray man. Pwede kami itong duwat magbutang yung kamalunggay o dugo. Nasuwapay nga dito may kamalunggay. Ano?
The onion make me cry.
It's you cry, oh no.
I smell it.
You smell it? You smell the onion? Tangan natin ito, hin.
Magic syrup with magic syrup, with tomato, with onion. I love
Ang butangan ako magic sarap pa rin ito. Butang-butangin asin. Tapos, adi. Onion.
I love egg.
Ano good anak.
Gabi yellow. Hi, I mean helping mommy.
Wow.
Gabi yellow. Is that my watch? We will say, we will say that. Mommy, put the magic syrup in the onion.
Magic what? Magic sarap?
In the onion. You have magic syrup in here.
Pero gumbutangan naman ito ni mami, di ba? Inas tayo ito. Pag dinaro.
Onion, I like to.
Harayo natin ng Visaya eh.
Tomato, I like tomato. I love egg. I like tomato. I love egg. Happy
Init na
pepper
katahin.
and
Ang
orange.
papa, init na katahin.
It's going. Mommy, look!
Hmm.
I'm doing it.
Wow! You're mixing. Good job, Isaiah Marie. You're helping mommy.
I'm an angel girl now.
Yes, you are.
Mommy, look.
What?
Angel sit.
Indian seat. Dito Indian seat. Indian seat, anak.
Okay. You like rain. Mommy like rain with egg.
Ayaw pagkaragi. Ito dito ngayon ginmimixa. Baya mahuwad ha. You careful.
Okay.
We don't have
Mommy,
extra
I don't
money
touch
to buy,
it.
to buy another
I don't touch it, Mommy.
paya ha. Ayaw paghugawin. We don't have extra money to buy another egg.
We have 2 eggs. We have 2 eggs.
Waray
Nina.
na, ada. Naging-crack na ni Mami. Ada,
Look
dito, dito.
inside.
Dire, waray na ito. Sulod. Diba? Ayun na. Waray na ito.
last
It's
one.
eggshell na. Eggshell na ito.
It's getting yellow. Mommy, Dana. Mommy, Dana, Mommy.
Opo, opo. Leave it there if you are done.
I'm making pa.
Kasag din namin ito. Kung done na. Okay, Mami is preparing the
Sticky eggs.
Oh, oh, go down na. Anto na dito kay bangin babait ka na dito ang mosquito.
I don't bite the mosquito. Wow. I don't.
Sarang mula ito pero kakulot na sarang ako ay mga
Mommy, stuck ako.
na-stuck ka. You push the
I can't push it.
Oh, slow what is it?
Be careful to all the people. Mommy, I don't know what my temper.
Good job, Isaiah Marie.
Can you put it?
Mm-mm.
Did you put it?
Oh,
Where is
ah. Glot ako yung egg na
Ah!
ada.
Look!
Ayun.
Ah!
Ano?
There's a block in the stand. Mommy, look! Mommy, look!
It's okay, Mommy's cooking anak.
Ah! Mommy,
Okay,
found
na
it.
ito, anak. Okay na ito. Mommy's cooking pa. Makukuha ni tato ni anak.
it's getting
Matutubog ko.
yellow.
Mama lang ngay mami nga daing. Okay lang pala.
The purple and
Agay.
orange. Look, I found it, Mommy.
What did you find?
A lock. I found a blue, a green lock.
Green lock.
Yes. It's in the stand.
Wow, ang kanan bread ito ano?
The I love my expensive toothbrush with a pig on it.
Ha, kuha nito gimbay ni mami nga. Nga.
I love you.
Toothbrush ha. Ano ka pa daw?
I love this table with flowers.
Wow.
I love my eggs. Can I open my eggs in the cookie box, mommy?
Later na, di ba? Evening na kito nakatagay mo ng egg.
But please, but
At now kayo humait man kita, di mo surat egg.
but
Mamay?
my
Onion
my
egg.
pink egg with a kite. My pink egg. Like it also.
Puso?
My pink egg.
Tingkay mo naman luwat. Nahulog kagad, dito ha. Libidhan mo.
My candy.
Vitamins din mo ito. Yan pa ito mo. Vitamins.
Look, it's down here. Look, mommy, it's down.
Ano? Ano ito niya?
It's ako sa lubon.
Ay, yung uhin na nagbutang dedo.
Dada.
Dari pamatik ko, dindagil ang tikon. Oray na yung nagbutang dedo kagabi, pamatik ko, hindi kaabrihan inihan.
I put it.
Ano hindi mo gimbutang? Nahulog niya.
It big children hulog it.
Di, nabig children. Ang rat, gudado.
Yes. The rat say, I love that candy.
Ganito, kuwada niya.
They
Para
they eat it like this. Nom nom nom. That it's a mouse, mommy. It's a mouse.
Ay, man.
It's a mouse like this. Skit, skit, skit.
Naski.
Yes. Rats have
Mato na dito, bread kay.
big teeth. Have small teeth.
Mais na kita.
Have smile teeth.
Smart thing.
And happy teeth. And sad
Anak.
teeth.
Very yummy.
Can I taste?
Late. Okay. Wait. Kadi mataste ka?
Maybe later.
Not later, now na.
But I have a problem. I need to clean up the room.
Yan na, very na
I
kay
need to
later.
clean up it akong room.
Clean up ka, tatang room.
My mother!
Tama pasangil. Luto na, so adi na. Amula na tamon sura kay. Direk komportable man kadto ka merkado. Sabi na waray didi. Hit ita ko nasawa tapos waray mabante kang kisaya. So,
Mommy, you.
amula na yan to. Bye bye.